Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you all are doing absolutely fine. Today we'll be reading Chammomila, common name Metricaria Chammomila, family Compositae. Constitution. Persons, especially children with light brown hair, nervous excitable temperament, oversensitive from use or abuse of coffee or narcotics. Children, newborn and during period of dentition. Mental generals: peevish, irritable, oversensitive to pain, driven to despair, snappish, cannot return a civil answer. Child exceedingly irritable, fretful, quiet only when carried, impatient, wants this or that, and and becomes angry when refused or when offered, petulantly rejects it. Too ugly to live, cross, spiteful. Piteous mourning of child because he cannot have what he wants, winning restlessness. Patient cannot endure any one near him. Is cross, cannot bear to be spoken to, averse to talking, answers peevishly. Complaint from anger, especially chill and fever. Physical generals. Pain seems unendurable, drives to despair, aggravated by heat, aggravated by evening before midnight, with heat, thirst, and fainting with numbness of affected part. Eructations. Oversensitive to open air, great aversion to wind, especially about ears. Sleepy but cannot sleep. Face: one cheek red and hot and other pale and cold. Mouth: toothache if anything warm is taken into the mouth. On entering warm room in bed from coffee during menses or pregnancy. Gastrointestinal system: diarrhea from cold anger or chagrin during dentition, after tobacco in childbed, from downward motion. Stool green, watery, corroding like chopped eggs and spinach, hot, very offensive like rotten eggs. Female reproductive system: labor pains, spasmodic distressing, wants to get away from them, tearing down the leg, rests upward. Nipples inflamed, tender to touch, infant's breast tender to touch. Milk runs out in nursing woman. Extremities: violent rheumatic pain drive him out of bed at night, compel him to walk about. Burning of soles at night, puts feet out of bed. Nervous system: convulsions of children from nursing after a fit of anger in mother. Modalities: aggravation by heat, anger, evening before midnight, open air, in the wind, irritations, amelioration from being carried, fasting, warm, wet weather. Relations: complementary to belladonna in diseases of children, cranial nerves, chamomilla, abdominal nerves. In cases spoiled by the use of opium or morphine in complaints of children. Compare it with belladonna, borax, bryonia, coffea, pulsatilla, sulfur. Mental calmness contraindicates chamomilla. Thank you.